Hello, welcome back to my channel. It is Amanda. Today I have swatches from the August 2023 Polish pickup. These are the purchases that I made from the ordering period that month. I didn't order anything in September. Did I? I don't think I ordered anything in October either. Wow. I just have 3 polishes here, so let's get to the swatches. The first is from Polish For Days. I can't remember what the theme was for August. I want to say like space or wisdom or something. I can't remember. It doesn't really matter. The first is from Polish For Days, and this is called Interstellar. And this is a dark blue jelly base packed with the Ultra Chrome Chameleon flakies that shift all of the colors. This is just gorgeous. It covers in 2 coats. And I love flakies so much, and I will never stop loving flakies. I feel confident saying that. I will never stop loving flakies. And this is beautiful. So 2 coats of Polish For Days Interstellar. Next we have one from Rogue Lacquer, and this is called Knowledge Reclaimed. And this is that perfect color blue jelly base, again with the rainbow of Ultra Chameleon flakies. There's like a teal green instead of a green. It has a perfect Rogue Lacquer formula. I mean, we know this. Like, we're not expecting anything less than perfection from Rogue Lacquer at this point, and they deliver every single time. So this is 2 coats of Rogue Lacquer Knowledge Reclaimed, and it looks great matte. Lastly, we have a polish from Sweetheart Polish, and this is called Sunflower Splash. I built this up in 3 coats, but you can, of course, wear it as a topper. I just really wanted all of these like awesome neon glitters all over my nails. So this is a clear base with a blue-green shimmer, and then pink, purple, yellow, blue, I think orange, like a red-orange matte glitter. It looks very 90s, like reminiscent of like a Lisa Frank inspiration. I don't think that was the inspiration, but that's what I'm going with. That is 3 coats of Sweetheart Polish Sunflower Splash. So that's pretty good, right? I've kind of been ignoring polish pickup just because, you know, I definitely acquired a lot of polishes at PBE this year. It's not because the polishes that are offered each month aren't beautiful. They're all beautiful, but, you know, I can't own every beautiful thing. So these were the polishes that I thought I definitely needed, and I was able to kind of just skip over September and October. You know, the busy time of year, I kind of forgot when the ordering was, and I think I just missed it. So let me know what you have purchased from Polish Pickup lately, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. I will talk to you in my next video.